Welcome to the virtual showroom at Mark's Auto Sales. This is a 2004 Toyota Dakota, Dodge Dakota. I correct myself there. It's a regular cab, seats 2 passengers, and it has a manual transmission, so it's very desirable by those who prefer to have a manual. It has alloy wheels, a cloth interior that's kind of a grayish tan there, manual windows and locks. It does have a CD player, power steering. We can be able to get this financed with our Buy Here Pay Here program, so definitely give us a call. Actually, take a look at the entertainment there. That has a cassette player. Give us a call. We look forward to being able to help you out with this vehicle or others in our inventory.